In Vectorworks 2024, we always had the ability to change between our custom unit standards. So I could have plans, for example, in millimeters, or I could have site plans in meters. But what's changed now is the ability to have our plans, but choose a unit standard. For example, I might want this to be in centimeters or feet and inches, just for this one. And it's all controlled through our new custom units. Here we have centimeters and meters. So let's create a new one. Click on new. I want this to be decimal feet. And I want to apply it only to my straight dimensions, not my dual dimensions. I want to leave those as meters. So now I can apply this as decimal feet, show unit mark, not put thousands. I want this to be decimal, and OK. And OK. So now what I can do is I can choose these. These are on my plans. This is using my primary dimension standards. So now I say, OK, I want these in centimeters, or I want these in feet and inches, or I want these in decimal feet. And so I can quickly change how I want to describe or how I want to present these dimensions. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of what's new in Vectorworks 2025. Catch you then.